All right. Can you all see this? Okay, we are at worksheet 13 now. Hold on, this is at the wrong side. My slideshow should show at the same thing. Okay, save this first. All right, so you can see this first question here, Michael. Okay, Michael wanted to find out something about, the brightness of the light bulb, right? So he is going to see over here, there are 3 different bulbs. Okay, he wants to know which one is going to be the brightest in an electrical circuit. So which of the following variables should he keep the same in order to ensure a fair test? I've given you some notes here. Fair test means only one variable is changed, right? Then the other variables must stay the same. So you're looking out for the other variables because you are looking out for things to be kept the same. What are they? Okay, what are they? Now, he is using 3 different bulbs. One of it is 2.5 volts, one is 3.8 volts, and then the third one is 6 volts. So very clearly, he is trying to find out which of this light bulb is going to be the brighter or brightest one. Okay, so Kalista, you put your answer there. Okay, Jerome also. Right, so you want to make sure only one variable is changed. Since he already changed, right? The variable that he changed is actually the type of bulbs, right? This is what he has changed. Everything else must stay the same, isn't it? So this is the one that he is going to change because very clearly you can see 3 different light bulbs. So the types of batteries must be the same. Okay, the types of, wires must be the same. Arrangement of batteries, number of batteries, all must be the same, isn't it? So what's our answer here? B, C, and D. Okay, yeah. You understand this part here? So those of you who got this wrong, I can see your answer there. If you can understand this part already, give me a thumbs up. All right, this is about a fair test, criteria of a fair test. Very good. Question 2. Now, I know sometimes it may look scary to you, okay? Lillian set up 4 circuits using identical batteries, bulbs, as well as wire. In which of these circuits will the bulbs be of equal brightness? Now, how many of you are scared of this kind of question? Tell me. You're scared, Is it very scary because of the arrangement? Huh? So when you are not familiar, what do you think you can do to find out? Remember, we have gone through as well, right? In our lesson, the last week. Okay, yeah, you can redraw. That's one thing. Now, of course, I can tell you this question, right? I will tell you now, this question is super high level. I put 3 star, 4 star. Okay, because you have not learned this at all. Let me teach you one way of solving questions like this, not for exam, but let's say for practice, like the tutorial, like your homework, okay, or any enrichment worksheets that you receive from the teachers. All right, so this is what y'all can do. Go to the website, right? Okay, go to the website called FAT. You can actually try to construct your own circuit. Okay, so you look at these here. Now, J is actually this particular circuit here. Can see? Okay, so I have J here as well. All right, so the next thing I did is, okay, this is actually a series circuit. Do you all still remember series and parallel? Yes, very good. So this is parallel circuit for M. This is also a parallel circuit for K. Kalista Ong, are you okay? You're frowning. You're very stressed. Don't be stressed, Okay, actually, electricity is fun. Very fun. You just have to try to connect the circuit on your own. So what I did was for M, okay, not just redraw, the way I construct it. Can you see? 1 battery, 1 light bulb, and then wires. Then go back to J. one battery, one light bulb, then there are wires. Okay, then after that, I drew the one for M. Okay, I drew the one for M. These are the two batteries in parallel now. So two batteries in parallel. Okay, then one light bulb. Then I look at K. So look carefully at K. Three batteries. They are connected in parallel. Okay, and then there is one light bulb. Can you see that they are all lighting up with the same brightness? So that means if I am arranging the batteries in parallel, it doesn't matter how many batteries I put. I can even put one more branch here, add one more battery here. The brightness of this light bulb is going to be the same as the rest. Can you all see that? Can see that or not? Can see it? You put up your hand? Okay, good. Yes, thank you so much. Now, so what is this one about then? If you are going to look at this circuit L, last week we learned if I put one battery into a series circuit, the brightness is maybe 1 unit. If I'm going to put in two batteries in series, this is the battery in series. See, this is the positive, this is the negative, right? Positive, negative. So positive must connect to the negative of the other battery. So the two terminals must be the opposite poles, or shall I say one must be negative, one must be positive. Maybe it's easier for you all this way. Okay, then that will tell me that, okay, I have two batteries now giving that kind of electrical energy to the light bulb. So if this is one battery, it lights up with 1 unit. Okay, this is a series circuit. Two batteries is going to light up in this manner. Okay, it's going to be a lot brighter. Is it all right? So the only three circuit with the same brightness will be these three, J, M, and K. Kalista, sit up straight, otherwise you're going to fall asleep. All right, I know you're very tired after a long day. Okay, so answer is C. Can y'all see that? Okay, so this is going to be the same brightness as the J. All right, what if it is the real exam, they won't give you something that is beyond the syllabus? This is only learned in secondary school. How did I get this question? You must be wondering, how come they give us such a question? This question is one of the exam question from a top school. You know those very good school or not? Yeah, those primary school, they are very good. What are they? You know, St. Nicholas, you have, what other schools do you all know? Catholic, all these schools, right? Yeah, they like to give this kind of question, you know not? They like to give beyond syllabus, and then stress out a lot of people. If you go and buy these kind of exam papers to try, right, you will see weird questions coming out. Your teacher has never, ever taught you before. Xander, you're in Catholic High, so your questions must be very difficult one, right, in school? Yes or not? Yeah. Okay, so that's why we also must include questions like this lah. Otherwise, Xander look at our question will think, yeah, too easy. Huh? Right now, Xander? Okay, good to know that you are actually here with us. Right, next one. David has this circuit now. Again, see, must be from Catholic. Can Xander, maybe this question from your school. One of the years lah. Maybe not last year. Okay, maybe not this year, but it might come out again, Xander. So now I have two batteries, arranged in parallel. We already learned, right? Okay, no matter how many batteries I add on, so long as it's in parallel, the brightness is going to be the same, just 1 unit, right or not? So it doesn't matter if I continue adding on what? The brightness is not going to change. So what must the person do? David must change this. Okay, I can write it as change the arrangement. But if I want to be very specific, right, I will change it to change the batteries arrangement to series. Okay, so long as they are in series. Take note, Jerome, almost there. All right, change to series, yes. It is going to make the light bulb lit up a lot more brightly. So write this down somewhere, or you can also download this set of, notes. I was telling Grace earlier that she needs to go and download all these. If you didn't print out your worksheet, right? And then you have no time to copy the things that Miss Day said. Yeah, so you have to make sure you download because I will type in a lot of extra notes here. In fact, for this particular worksheet, I want you to download. You know why? I pause here a while. I go stun a bit, go stun, go stun. Okay, I have all these concept map inserted for you. One of them are very sengit, you know. You know I sengit or not? Crooked. See? So crooked leh. I don't know why the scanning become like that, but it doesn't matter, right? You can read, right? Sanvi can read this? Can still read, Okay, so these are the concept maps for you to actually refer to when you are doing revision. Okay, of course, this is not complete lah. You can write down more notes. Like for example, some of you like to, switch, controls the flow of electric current. So I see students will actually do this, right? Can open or close the switch. This open is written not clearly. Okay, so they like to write notes like this also. So when you print out, right, you print out all these notes. After that, you can jot down your extra notes. Bella, you can do that also, What my students will do is they actually print this out, right? Then they paste inside their jotter book. So that's what they did lah. Can also, up to you, okay? Up to you. I'm not going to determine how you actually do it. Okay, I have Kahoot games for you later. So anytime I see that you are too tired, too sleepy, then I will pause, immediately start a game. Okay, so this is what I can do to help you. Now, following the question, we did talk about changing the arrangement to series. So this is to prove to you, when you actually arrange more batteries in series, you are allowing more electric current to flow through the bulb. Can you see that? Here only one battery, the brightness is only like that. When I increase to 3 batteries, wow, it's going to be so bright. So the room is going to be a lot brighter, right not? Okay, so this is how we can remind ourselves. So I insert notes in your worksheet now, okay? So it's easier for you when you are studying. So make sure you print this out. Can or not? Try your best, Good. So more electric current means the brightness of the bulb will be increased. Any question here? Sanvi okay? Jerome okay? Bella okay? Clarice, you all right? Okay. Xander, you never turn on the camera, no, Xander? I can't see whether you're around. Then Kalista, I see your background of cats. I love cats, but I want to see your face. Kalista, are you here? Lim? Miss Lim, are you here? Okay, I call you Miss Lim from now on. Andy set up an experiment by constructing an electrical circuit with one bulb. Okay, he changed different variables in his experiment as shown in the table. So there are 4 different setups, right? Okay, so number of dry cells. Now I indicated here, what's the meaning of dry cells? Dry cells you see in secondary school. In primary school, you know this as batteries, okay? So just put this as batteries. So 2 batteries, 3 and 3. Type of circuit, okay, series, parallel, series, parallel. Then you have material X, Y, Y, Y. Be very careful, Okay, I don't know how come this is X, Y, Y, Y. Then after that, did the bulb light up? No, yes, yes, yes. So you are supposed to choose the correct setup if you want to find out, how the type of circuit affects the brightness of the bulb. So when you are considering types of circuit, this is the one, right? This is the one that you are going to change. Clear? This is the change variable. Do you all remember about the different variables or not? Yes or no? Yeah. So